Upgrade your dashboard with the OBDPEAK T20, featuring 10.26-inch wireless CarPlay, 5G Wi-Fi, and full-screen reverse camera functionality. Crisp 10.26-inch screen, 1600 by 600p resolution with mobile-like graphics. Perfect for clear navigation and immersive movie watching in mirror mode. Wireless connectivity, Bluetooth 5.0 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi support wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Make calls, stream music, send messages, and use navigation, all hands-free. Universal compatibility, suction cup mount provides multiple installation options. Fits most vehicles and looks like original factory equipment when mounted. Premium audio output, multi-chip audio system connects via Bluetooth, FM transmission, or wired AUX cable, included. Maintain high-fidelity sound without interference. Smart screen functions, GPS navigation, online music, mirrored video playback, and Bluetooth calling. Full-screen reverse function when paired with optional rear camera. Important notes: rear camera, sold separately, offers full-screen reverse display but no recording function. For best sound quality, reconnect phone Bluetooth to car audio in CarPlay mode or use AUX cable in Android Auto mode. For drivers who demand smart integration with universal fit, this is the ultimate dashboard upgrade. Explore it on Aliexpress, where innovation meets versatility.